Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SORL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. No, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move here, gap up, and then after the gap up, price still moved a little bit, but did a great job of actually maintaining the gains. And that's where our first level of support comes into play in terms of quote-unquote maintaining the gains. And that's right up here at $5.60. And this would be the ideal level of support. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can continue to hold up above 560, that would be a sign of quite a bit of power. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of strength. Next area of support after 560, down at the 520 mark. So shorter term levels, 560, 520. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and really kind of just making the quote-unquote story easier is all about the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to move its way upwards and look something like that. And, you know, for those of you that, let's try that again. My on-screen annotator froze up for some reason. But like I said, that line's going to look something like that. So if you want to, you know, just stop and, you know, picture that as a trend line, then, you know, that's a very simplistic thing. And my marker screwed up again. So, hey, great way to start the week on a Monday. Let's try it one more time. Third time's a charm. There we go. So the line's going to look something like that. And, you know, that essentially is a trend line. I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people because I don't want to draw a trend line. Well, the moving average will draw itself for you. So when you just stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above an uptrending trend line? Well, the price itself needs to keep on uptrending, which by definition is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So like I said, a very simplistic way to look at this, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, key point of resistance, I'm just going to go ahead and call it right up there at about $6.05. Yes, I realize the price broke up above it a couple times, but there was also plenty of times where the price didn't quite hit that area. So I think we can all agree, though, this is a good little middle ground of where the main point of price congestion all unfolded. I'm just going to talk about that one level of resistance because, in my opinion, you know, from a grand scheme of things, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority right now. Top priority is just going through some healthy consolidations, building some higher lows, because as long as the chart has higher lows as time unfolds, you know, the long-term chart and the, you know, is going to take care of itself, and you're going to have a nice overall, you know, constructed uptrending trend line. So very interesting start to the week. We'll see just how things all unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.